Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to limit Venmo transaction. Unfortunately, Venmo does not allow user to manually set their own custom spending limit. Instead, your transaction's capacity is determined by your identity verification status and operations on a rolling weekly basis. If you want to limit your transaction, the most effective way is to remain unverified, which keeps your spending or capacity at the lowest possible level. So unverified accounts is up to $299.99 weekly limit, and verified account has $6 to $9.99 combination weekly as well. And likewise, you will also manage your transaction visibility. Just launch open the Venmo app, tap the Me from the bottom right corner of the screen, and after which you would just go ahead and select the privacy and go to private section to hide all the future transactions from everyone except the recipient. You could then in the privacy menu tap on past transaction and choose change all to private to hide your history as well. And on the privacy, you could also limit the friend sharing options as well. So this is how you're supposed to limit Venmo transaction in an alternative way. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.